what's up guys, so today we're doing a quick review on my Instagram page. So yeah guys, so we're doing something new as well. So if you guys subscribe to me, I will go ahead and follow you on Instagram or Facebook. If you do have a YouTube channel, I will go ahead and subscribe to you and watch your content and like and share. So yeah, can you believe this guy? I reached 380 followers on Instagram. So yeah, this app does work. Yeah, I tried it and it worked, guys. It worked. It's working. If I did stop using this app for a month, if I did continue, I will reach the 500 mark. Yeah. So yeah, so definitely also guys, if you subscribe to me, I will follow you on TikTok as well. So yeah, I did want to give you a quick update. Yeah, also I wanted to go ahead and download TikTok. So yeah, this app on TikTok make you get followers and like. So I'll put the link in the description about this video explaining how does it work. And I will say guys, this will be it for the video. So next week we're making something new. So peace.